So whatever you wish that others would do to you, do also to them, for this is the law and the prophets. Matthew 7, verse 12. Most people will interpret this verse as suggesting that we ought to do to others what we wish others to do to us. But that is not what this verse means. Biblical interpretation has to be done in its context. The previous verse, Matthew 7:11, helps us understand the context of this verse. If you then who are evil know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father who is in heaven give good things to those who ask him? So the golden rule of doing good to others hinges on God's goodness towards us. From the context, we understand that this verse is an exhortation for us to imitate God. Children have an uncanny ability to imitate parents. Our imitation of God our Father in treating others with the same goodness that God shows to us is a proof that we are His children. Further, we are not called to obey the law to be saved, but we are saved so that we obey the law. In the last part of verse 12 we read, "For this is the law and the prophets." The summary of Matthew 7:12 is that God has been good to us and therefore we ought to be good to others. Have a blessed weekend.